back to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this style in my hair. I used the I believe it's the Janet collection NUDE Locs, and or no, Bobbi Boss, oops, the Bobbi Boss NUDE Locs, and I used an array of colors which I will be getting into more detail throughout this video. They come all the way down here, as you can see, so they're very long. So I'm going to show you how I got them to this length, the method that I did to part my hair, and how I knotted the hair to connect the, what do you call it, the two different strands or whatever. So before I get into it, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. You know, every now and then I do a protective style video, but you know, it's not common because you know I like my wigs. But if you want to see more stuff like this, I will be more than happy to do that. But yeah, let's just get into this video and let me show you guys how I got to this gorgeous bohemian tropical gorgeous Goldilocks look, okay? All right, so this is the final product after just adding some sheen, some mousse, and laying my baby hairs. You know, I had to also do my makeup too, because sometimes, you know, I think a style is crazy until like I beat my face and I'm like, oh wait, this is actually cute. So this is how the hair looks. I did face framing highlights in the front to mimic the wig that you see back there, which is Valentina. Valentina. Anyway, I'm gonna link it up there. That's what I did the colors based off of, and this is how long they are. And I'm 5'11", so it hits right above my butt. Ooh, sorry, but it hits right above my butt, and they're very long, very lightweight. I feel like if they were heavier, I would definitely take these out within the week, just because last time I had heavy locks, I could barely sleep with them. But these are very thin, lightweight, and cute. But as you can see, what I did put color number 2 at the top of my head, just because I felt like the 4 didn't blend with my natural hair like really well. So I wanted my roots to be darker than the rest of my hair, so it kind of had that bohemian, like tropical effect. I don't know if you can see, but I kind of did it messy on purpose just so they look more natural. I'm sorry, my edges look kind of white. But yes, this is how it came out. I'm probably gonna keep these in for about like 5 to 6 weeks, maybe less, just because I like to switch up my hair and review more wigs and things like that. So but this is a cute style, especially if you don't feel like doing your hair and it's like warmer out, or you just like really long hair. I would recommend doing this style. If you're interested again in the color pattern, please check out my wig review, because I did the exact same color pattern as that wig. But yes, if you have any other questions on how I did this style, or you just want to tell me it looks bomb or wild or whatever you want to say, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and I hope to see you guys soon.